Hi, my name is Shyla. So in today's video, I'm doing this purple smoky eye with the pink nude lip. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then please just keep on watching. So we did what else? I did my brows already. So I'm gonna prime my eyes. I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Y'all, like, I don't know how this is gonna go, but we're just gonna hope for the best. I'm really nervous about filming this just because like, I tried already and it did not go the way I wanted it to go. So hopefully, and I pray that it goes the way it's supposed to go this time, because if not, I'm not ever doing this YouTube thing ever again. Just kidding, just kidding. Real Techniques brushes, like, they're so nice and I really like them. Real Techniques needs to sponsor me. Take Stone. And this is like it's like a plum purple. And where this goes, let's see. And I'm gonna kind of put this, yeah. I'm gonna put this under all that mess. And we're gonna kind of blend those shades together. Yeah, just like that. Blending all that together with this Morphe M433. I'm using the same lilac purple shade from the James Charles palette. We're just blending that all together. It looks really pretty. It looks very soft, which that was the goal. Glitter. I just take some from the top of the glitter. And then we're just gonna kind of just do what we did with the, like that. I don't know if y'all can see it. I didn't want it to be too much, but I also want it to be visible. Well, I don't think I said the name of this. I don't remember. The name of this glitter is the NYX Metallic Glitter. And now, you don't have to do this. It's very optional. I do this all the time. I like a wing eyeliner. So I'm gonna do a wing on both of my eyes, and then what lashes am I gonna use? I kind of want them to be very dramatic. Okay guys, so I lied. I did not use my Peach Echo ones. I used my pale blush. They're by the same company, VLuxe by Envy. They're minks, they're very pretty, they're very natural, they're very flirty. Not natural. I think they're still dramatic just because I added a wing, but yeah. I use the same stuff every single time. I don't think I'll ever use anything different. This is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. And this is the shade Maceo. Oh, y'all. bronzer that I love so much. That I love so much. Profusion Cosmetics Blush 3 palette. Because I haven't used this. I use this shade right here. This is Bliss. A cool tone pink, so I'm just gonna kind of tap it in so it looks not too crazy. Okay. And then we're gonna take our Sephora Microsmooth. This is in the shade Tan, and I'm gonna take my the big brush I use for my lower Mercier, no big deal. And we're just gonna kind of swirl it. I need to get some more. We need to swirl, swirl, swirl. And then we're just gonna kind of go over it a little bit. Not too much because I don't want to like take Getaway, and it looks like it's a nice champagne-y looking color, a little shimmer, and then we're just gonna kind of put it on the tip of our nose and right there on the bridge to give me a little brown like that. Same mold. Okay, I'm gonna take a bit of honey. Okay, bit of honey. Then we're gonna take a little bit of creme brulee. We're just gonna put this This is so pretty. I really liked this color surprised me a little more. Okay, so we're gonna do this hair. Okay, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you click on that like button. Videos that I do post, and you want to see the photos that I did take for them, then you can follow me on Instagram. It'll be listed down below, or I'll probably put it up here. Who knows? I don't know. I'll probably put it in the description though. Yeah. So thanks again for watching, and until next time, bye.